안녕하세요, K-Flash fam. Waving hand, are you binge-watching Queen of Tears and catching all the feels? You're probably picking up on some amazing Korean, but let's be real, textbooks don't teach you everything. Today, we're diving deep into the real, raw, and super engaging Korean slang you hear in K-dramas, the kind that makes you sound less like a tourist and more like a true Seoul insider. First up, let's dive into some phrases that capture the witty banter and underlying wisdom you often find in K-drama dialogues, especially in shows like Queen of Tears where characters are constantly challenging each other. Words become seeds / be careful what you wish for. Warning someone that their negative talk might come true, or that their casual words have consequences, often in a slightly superstitious or cautionary way.
말이 씨가 된다.
Now you try. Formal.
말이 씨가 된다.
Casual.
Same. It's an idiom and used informally. 말이 씨가 된다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
나 이번 시험 무조건 망할 거야? Yeah, 말이 씨가 된다니까. 긍정적으로 생각해봐. 알겠어. 합격할 거야.
Watch your pronunciation. The SSI sound is a tense S, not a soft SH. Press your tongue firmly behind your front teeth and push air out without any H sound. They would reply,
아유, 알겠어.
In K-drama, Queen of Tears, various scenes where characters are being overly pessimistic or making bold predictions, e.g., Haein and Hyunwoo's banter about their relationship's future. Boomer / old-fashioned, condescending person. Describing an older person, or someone acting like one, who is lecturing you, imposing outdated views, or being overly traditional and stubborn, usually used among friends.
꼰대.
Now you try. Formal.
꼰대.
Casual.
already casual slang. 꼰대.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
부장님 오늘 또 잔소리 대박이었어. 에이, 완전 꼰대네. 신경 쓰지 마. 그러게, 진짜 답답해.
Watch your pronunciation. The kkwon has a KK sound, which is a tense, unaspirated K. Hold your breath slightly before releasing the K sound, like a slight glottal stop. They would reply,
진짜. 완전 꼰대네.
In K-drama, Queen of Tears, e.g., Haein's grandfather or other older chaebol family members exhibiting traditional, rigid thinking and lecturing the younger generation. Reality check / hitting rock bottom, sudden realization of grim reality. Expressing a sudden feeling of disappointment, disillusionment, or embarrassment after a moment of delusion, excitement, or being overly optimistic.
현타.
Now you try. Formal.
현타.
Casual.
already casual slang. 현타.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
콘서트 티켓팅 실패하고 현타 제대로 왔어. 아이고, 진짜 속상하겠다. 응, 현실은 냉정하네.
Watch your pronunciation. The hyeon has a H sound that is very soft, almost swallowed, especially when preceded by another sound. It's not a hard H like in hat. They would reply,
아, 완전 공감.
In K-drama, Queen of Tears, any moment when a character has a grand fantasy or expectation shattered by reality, e.g., Haeun realizing the harsh truth of her illness or Hyunwoo facing the reality of his marriage. Next up, let's tackle those moments in Queen of Tears where characters are just completely baffled, annoyed, or downright frustrated. These phrases are perfect for expressing strong emotions in a very Korean way. OMG/seriously? /wow, often with disbelief or slight shock. Reacting to something unbelievable, shocking, ridiculous, or unexpectedly good/bad, often with mild surprise or frustration. Highly versatile.
헐,
Now you try. Formal,
헐,
casual,
already casual. 헐,
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
나 오늘 길 가다가 김수현 봤잖아. 헐, 진짜. 대박. 심쿵할 뻔했어.
Watch your pronunciation. The hyo is a short, sharp sound. Make sure the H is soft and the vowel is a clear eo, like a in butter. They would reply,
왜? 무슨 일인데?
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, used by younger characters or when reacting to surprising news, e.g., when a plot twist is revealed or someone says something outrageous. So what? /what do you want me to do? Dismissive/annoyed. Dismissing someone's complaint or problem when you feel it's not your concern, they're overreacting, or you're simply annoyed. Can be rude if not used carefully.
어쩌라고.
Now you try. Formal,
어쩌라고.
casual,
already casual. Use with caution as it can be perceived as impolite. 어쩌라고.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
나 오늘 아침에 지각했어? 어쩌라고. 그게 나랑 무슨 상관인데? 너무하네.
Watch your pronunciation. The jo is a tense JJ sound. It's stronger than a regular J. Practice making a sharp, almost popping J sound. They would reply,
야, 말하는 꼴 좀 봐라.
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, Haeun might use this in a moment of exasperation with Hyunwoo, or vice versa, during their arguments when one feels the other's problem isn't their business. Frustrating/suffocating/stifling. Describing a situation, person, or even a tight space that makes you feel frustrated, stuck, unable to breathe, metaphorically, or annoyed by slow progress.
답답해.
Now you try. Formal,
답답해.
casual,
답답해요. 대푸답해요. 모어 포멀 버전, 레딩요. 답답해.
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
일이 너무 안 풀려서 답답해 죽겠어. 무슨 일인데? 얘기해봐. 그냥 다 답답해.
Watch your pronunciation. The dap has a final P sound that is unreleased, meaning you close your lips but don't release the air. It's a very subtle P. They would reply,
왜? 무슨 일인데?
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, any moment when Hyunwoo feels trapped by his family situation or Haeun feels stifled by her illness or family expectations and the lack of control. Finally, let's explore some contemporary Korean expressions that are super popular right now. These are the phrases that will make you sound truly in the know and connected to modern Korean culture, just like the trendy characters in Queen of Tears. Real/seriously, Konglis slang. Used to emphasize truth or surprise, similar to really, or for real, in English. Often used in casual conversation, especially among young people or online.
레알,
Now you try. Formal,
레알,
casual,
already 캐주얼, 레알,
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
나 오늘 김지원 배우 봤어. 레알, 어디서? 백화점에서. 진짜 예쁘더라.
Watch your pronunciation. The re is a flapped sound, similar to the tt in American English butter. Don't roll your r like in Spanish. They would reply,
진짜.
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, younger characters or during informal conversations when expressing disbelief or confirmation, particularly when discussing surprising news or events. Heartthrob/heart skip a beat, from excitement/attraction. Describing a moment, person, or event that makes your heart flutter, often in a romantic or exciting way. Can be used for idols, fictional characters, or real-life crushes.
심쿵,
Now you try. Formal,
심쿵,
casual,
already 캐주얼, 심쿵,
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
어제 드라마에서 김수현이 김지원 구해주는 장면 봤어? 완전 심쿵. 응 봤지. 진짜 드라마 보다가 심장 멎는 줄 알았어. 둘이 너무 잘 어울려.
Watch your pronunciation. The kung is a guttural K sound, similar to G but without voice. Make sure it's a single, sharp sound, not drawn out. They would reply,
누가 그렇게 심쿵하게 했어?
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, any romantic or intense moment between Hyeon and Hyunwoo that makes viewers' hearts flutter, or when a character is mesmerized by another. Insider/popular person/social butterfly. Describing someone who is popular, trendy, socially active, and well-connected within a group or society. Often used admiringly or humorously.
인싸,
Now you try. Formal,
인싸,
casual,
already 캐주얼, 인싸,
fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
쟤는 모르는 사람이 없어. 완전 인싸야. 그러게 어디 가든 아는 사람이 있더라. 나도 인싸 되고 싶다.
Watch your pronunciation. The in has a final end sound that connects smoothly to the SSA. The is a tense SS sound, like the S in sip but with more tension, no SH. They would reply,
내가 더 인싸지.
in Kdrama, Queen of Tears, characters like Han Hyeon or her brother, who are at the center of social circles and effortlessly navigate high society, could be described as. Quick quiz. Imagine your friend is being overly dramatic about a minor issue. Which phrase would you use to dismissively say, "So what? What do you want me to do?" The answer is eojjerago. Here's everything you learned today. Wow, you just leveled up your Korean, K-Flash fam. You're now equipped with the real slang from Queen of Tears that textbooks simply won't teach you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more unfiltered Korean lessons, and tell us in the comments which phrase was your favorite. Next time, we're tackling the 5 essential phrases for ordering food like a boss at a bustling street market. Steaming bowl.